We did it. We did it. In 89 days, over $10 million has been earned inside my community just off the Legacy Builder program. That means 136 people's lives will forever be impacted because they purchase a Legacy Builder program and they get the ability to learn the most amazing digital marketing skills that can completely change their life. And that 10 million in 89 days is 100% profit into the community members' pockets. That's why we've had 3 people just in the last 7 days paid cash for cars. This is why we're having moms and dads be able to walk away from their jobs. We're having 6-figure income earners achieving on a weekly basis now inside our community. 89 days, 10 million in 89 days. Never in my wildest of wildest dreams did I think that would happen. And you know what? We're getting ready to go on our next 90-day run. It ain't gonna be epic. July will be record-breaking month inside our community because 1, we're gonna walk you through step by step by step how to launch a business, how to grow a following, how to grow a brand, and how to literally get really, really good with your income earning activities and how to manage your mind so you can have the vision and see success. And then we're also going to walk you through how to create a reoccurring income stream. You have reoccurring bills. Why not a reoccurring income stream? And I'm going to show you how to do that through your email so you're not adding more hours. So we're getting ready to launch our next 90-day run. And oh my goodness, I can't, 10 million was made in the last 89 days. I can't even imagine what's going to happen these next 90 days. So are you ready? Are you ready for that lifestyle business? Are you ready to be able to take control of your life and design your life? If you want to learn more about our Legacy Builder program, put yes in the comments and let me get you those details.